Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A4 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI S-Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the S-Line, you do get the S-Line styling package, including with the matte grey accents on the front and rear bumpers, as well as the window surrounds and the chrome badging. From the 2-litre petrol engine, you also get 147 brake horsepower and 270 Newton meters of torque. On the front, we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm Torso design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in really nicely with the before mentioned S-Line styling. The rear tailgate can be opened from the touch of a button to reveal plenty of space for your everyday essentials and even enough room for your weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. In the interior, we have part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with more of the matte grey on the doors, with centre armrest and tri-zone climate control bringing up the rear passengers extra comfort. Both outer seats do come with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front, we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in there at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation, meaning you are never disconnected from the outside world and never miss a turning when out on the road. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and the Park Assist button, which brings up the 360-degree camera system, so you never have to worry about damaging that precious paint and bodywork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this presentation on the approved used Audi A4 Saloon. If you have any questions or queries, please do not hesitate to contact our sales team.